Hi, welcome to this new video. مرحبا بكم في هذا الفيديو الجديد. It's a present continuous practice. إذا أردتم استعمال الكتاب المدرسي, you can go to Focus Students Book, pages 60 and 61. Look at this picture. What are they doing? What are they doing? Very good. They are walking. L here is mute. L هنا لا تنطق. They are walking. They are walking. Look at this picture. Who are these people? من هؤلاء الأشخاص? They are acrobats. They are acrobats. What are they doing? ماذا يفعلون? Great. They are doing acrobatic exercises. They are doing acrobatic exercises. They are doing acrobatic exercises. What is she doing? ماذا تفعل? What is she doing? Excellent. She is standing on his shoulders. She is standing on his shoulders. She is standing on his shoulders. Wow! Look at this man. انظروا إلى هذا الرجل. Wow! What is he doing? ماذا يفعل? What is he doing? Nice. He is playing with a snake. He is playing with a snake. He is playing with a snake. Now, grammar, exercise 1, read and write true or false. There, Jim and Joyce. غالبا ما نبدأ الرسالة بكلمة there. يعني عزيزي. عزيزي Jim and Joyce. There, Jim and Joyce. Marrakesh is fantastic. رائعة. We are walking in جامع الفنا. Walking. We are walking in جامع الفنا. Many things are happening. أشياء كثيرة تحدث. We love Gnawa. They are dancing and playing good music. They refers to Gnawa. Donc they تعود على Gnawa. They are dancing and playing good music. It means Gnawa are dancing and playing good music. Some children are doing fascinating acrobatic exercises. Fascinating. ساحرة. Some children are doing fascinating acrobatic exercises. They are standing on their friends' shoulders. Acrobatic exercises. Standing on the shoulder. Acrobatic exercises. Standing on the shoulder. Some children are doing fascinating acrobatic exercises. يقومون بتمارين بهلوانية ساحرة. They are standing on their friends' shoulders. يقفون على كتفي أصدقائهم. A man is playing with very big snakes. Very big. ضخمة. A man is playing with very big snakes. Playing with very big snakes. We are enjoying everything in Marrakesh. نحن نستمتع بكل شيء في مراكش. We are enjoying everything in Marrakesh. It's a pity you aren't with us. إنها لحسرة أنك لست معنا. Paul and Laura. Donc Paul and Laura هما من كتب هذه الرسالة. لمن؟ Very good. كتبوها لي Jim and Joyce. This is a stamp. طابع بريدي. And this is an address. Address. Good. Now here we have 4 sentences. We answer them by true or false. First one, Jim and Laura are walking in جامع الفنا. Number 2, some children aren't dancing. 3, a clown is playing with snakes. 4, Jim and Joyce aren't enjoying the show. Now take some time and answer with true or false. أوقف الفيديو وقم بالتمرين. Now the answers. First one, Jim and Laura are walking in جامع الفنا. It's false. Why false? Paul and Laura are walking in جامع الفنا. So it's Paul and Laura, not Jim and Laura. Here you have Paul and Laura. Paul and Laura are walking in جامع الفنا. بما أن Paul and Laura هما الشخصان اللذان كتبا هذه الرسالة، فهما من يتكلم في هذا النص. Number 2. Some children aren't dancing. It's true. Some children are doing fascinating acrobatic exercises. In the text you have it. Some children are doing fascinating acrobatic exercises. So it's true. They are not dancing. They are doing acrobatic exercises. لا يرقصون وإنما يقومون بحركات بهلوانية ساحرة. Number 3. A clown is playing with snakes. False. A man is playing with snakes. A man is playing with very big snakes. Number 4. Jim and Joyce aren't enjoying the show. يعني لا يستمتعان بالعرض. Jim and Joyce. It's true. It's a pity. يا للحسرة. It's a pity you aren't with us. يعني إنها لحسرة أنكم لستم معنا. هنا الخطاب موجه إلى Jim and Joyce. Now exercise 3. Write the correct form of the verbs between brackets. Example. Paul and Laura stay in a hotel. Answer. Paul and Laura are staying in a hotel. So put the verbs in the present continuous affirmative form. Take some time. أوقف الفيديو وقم بالتمرين. Great. Now the correction. The example. Paul and Laura are staying in a hotel. Number 1. Paul is visiting جامع الفنا now. Paul, it's like he. He is visiting جامع الفنا. Paul is visiting جامع الفنا. هو يزور جامع الفنا. Number 2. They are enjoying their holidays at this moment. Number 3. Look, the children are doing clever exercises. The children, it's they, هم, الأطفال, هم. Donc they are doing clever exercises. Number 4. Look there, Gnawa are dancing and jumping. Gnawa is a group of people. Gnawa هم مجموعة من الأشخاص. They, هم. They are dancing and jumping. Gnawa are dancing and jumping. Number 5. The snakes are looking at the flute now. The snakes, it's a plural noun. كلمة جمع تعني هم. They. They are looking at the flute now. The snakes are looking at the flute now. You can also look at the translation if you need to do so. يمكنكم أن تنظروا في الترجمة إذا احتجتم إلى ذلك. Exercise 4. Listen and speak. Now, what can you see in this picture? Yes, here we have a boy, ولد, a boy, and you have a flute. Flute. This one. Flute. So what is the boy doing with the flute? The boy is playing the flute. The boy is playing the flute. Good. What do we have here in the sentence? Frank, the name of the boy, اسم الولد. Frank is playing the clarinet. Here is the clarinet and here is the flute. The clarinet and the flute are different. طبعا clarinet والفلوت هما مختلفان. Frank is playing the clarinet. It's false. خطأ. What are we going to do? We are going to correct this mistake. سنصحح هذا الخطأ بجملة نفي ثم جملة إثبات. جملة النفي: Frank isn't playing the clarinet. Frank isn't playing the clarinet. He is playing the flute. Now we do the same for exercise 5. It says, look at the pictures and correct these false statements. But before doing the exercise, قبل ما نشرع في التمرين، نحتاج إلى بعض المفردات لتعلمها حتى يسهل علينا إنجاز التمرين. Now what can you see in these pictures? Here we have شيوات شوميسة and تعلم مع مريم. So what are these? Very good. It's TV programs. These are TV programs. TV programs. What can you see here? What is this place? Yes. It's a gallery. A gallery. A gallery. What's this? A painting. A painting. A gallery. A painting. Here is a gallery. We have paintings. What are these people doing? ماذا يفعل هؤلاء الأشخاص؟ ماذا يفعل هؤلاء الأشخاص؟ Yes, they are looking at paintings. They are looking at paintings. They are looking at paintings. Wow! What can you see? What is this place? Nice! It's a museum. A museum. A museum. What are these people doing? They're visiting a museum. They're visiting a museum. They're visiting a museum. What is she doing? What is she doing? Very nice. She's listening to music. She's listening to music. She's listening to music. The T is mute. T لا تنطق. She's listening to music. Look at this boy. What is he doing? Very good. He is playing video games. He is playing video games. Wow. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is running. She is running. She is running. تجري. We go back to our example where we have to provide negative sentence and affirmative sentence. الآن ننجز التمرين. نقوم بتقديم negative sentence جملة نفي و positive sentence or affirmative sentence جملة إثباتية. So take your time and do the exercise. أوقف الفيديو وقم بالتمرين. Now here are the answers. Number 1, Mr. Smith is watching a film. Of course, it's incorrect. It's false. خطأ. Number 1, Mr. Smith isn't watching a film. He is watching a TV program. He is watching a TV program. يشاهد برنامج تلفزي. Number 2, they are visiting a museum. Look at the picture. It's not a museum. ليس متحف. They aren't visiting a museum. They are visiting a gallery. They are visiting a gallery. يزورون معرض صور. Number 3, Tim is playing a video game. Tim isn't playing a video game. He's listening to music. He's listening to music. Number 4, Nazha is dancing. She isn't dancing, right? Nazha isn't dancing. She is running. She is running. Number 5, they are looking at paintings. ينظرون إلى لوحات. Which is not correct. طبعا هذا خطأ. They are looking at paintings. They aren't looking at paintings. لا ينظرون إلى لوحات. They're looking at a dinosaur. They're visiting a museum. they're visiting a museum. Here you have remember this. We use the present continuous for actions that are happening now. نستعمل present continuous لأحداث تقع الآن إذا تذكرتم. For example, I am learning grammar now. Affirmative. I am not watching TV. Negative. Speak. Speaking. I am speaking. You are speaking. He is speaking. Write. We remove the E and we add ing. Write. Writing. I am writing. You are writing. He is writing. She is writing. Swim. It's a consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. وتشديد في W. Stress on W. Donc swim. Swimming. Double M. I am swimming. You are swimming. He is swimming. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.